now related product lookup. This is also kind of interesting tool. For example, if you go to Amazon, find out any the product like this one. So we now many guys targeting our product like sponsored product on 4 plus, etc., etc. If you want to find out who is targeting us and how many products they are targeting, etc., just copy ASIN, come here, find the related products, this tool, put the ASIN here, and search now. Sorry, search now. And you can do only this product, or maybe for variation. We analyze. I'm doing for variation.
Okay.
Okay. Then now we are pulling all the products who is targeting our ASIN, like, someone is targeting our product here. When we go down some here, someone is downside or video or brand, Amazon everywhere is maybe someone is targeting us. Recently, I haven't seen too much sponsored display here, etc., etc. We are gonna pull all those products and show you who is targeting you, who is showing in different place of your product. We have the metrics here. You see this one. What does it mean? You can understand. You can bring your the mouse here. Maybe you are not familiar. You can understand what they are meaning. Just here, you can come here and understand. So we see VAV, it means view after viewing. So there are 142 products. Customer prefer viewing this product after viewing our product. If you want to find out exactly what the products they are, you just click here, and we are gonna show you. Amazon show us organically on after viewing our product, the customer go to view this product. Basically, it means. I don't know what the reason is, but the Amazon suggestion is like this one. Amazon says after viewing our product, customer go to view this product. If you this should be after viewing purchase. Let's see it I'm right or no, not. Customer also view this product. Yeah, customer view this product also viewed. Yeah, it means customer view. This should be before our product. This should be after. So if you wanna find out kind of, yeah, now I understand. These products are the part of that.
Yes,
part
exactly.
of that vacuum cleaner. What we search, this is the customer goes to check this product, the vacuum cleaner part, or buy after viewing. So it means there is buy after viewing, like this one, the customers see our product and they go to buy someone else or go to buy something else. What they are? Maybe we find out this product, these products are better than us. I don't mean they're totally better. Maybe their price is better, their listing is better. From here you can figure out you can compare your product. Which product was it? This one. You can compare your product. This one, love it, and you can come here to compare this one. This one. Customers see your product, and then go to buy this one. Go to buy this one. Go to buy this one. So it might be the reason, for example, the price. Right now, it's not easy to find the obvious reason why the people are going to buy, but higher, better. Here, what I understand, after seeing this product, they are going to buy Shark. It means there is kind of the branding effect. After reviewing your product, people prefer buying this is not something you can solve, but what you can solve is sometimes you can see a lot of traffic. Customers see your product and you go to buy this one. It's popping up always on the top, it means this product somehow is better than yours in terms of maybe sales, maybe a listing, maybe video, maybe photo, maybe reviews, maybe some other reason. So by comparing, you know, who is you are losing, you can find, you can optimize, you can remove yours at negative side, and they ultimately get better. You know, if it's just by myself, it's very difficult to find out what's wrong. But it's
Yeah,
very easy to compare two stuff and find out where you are losing, which part is weak, which part is bad, then you can solve it. This is working like that, guys, from this tool. I don't want to go more deep because it will
fair enough.
take a long time. Yeah, it's fair enough. Related product lookup, you can find out who you are losing, and you ultimately then you can go to more deep to find out why, what's the core reason you are losing to those guys, and then fix it. It's
Yeah,
like
man.
this.
Yeah, also would add to that, from what I've seen, we can also find new ideas for products. So, for example, we saw that we started with the vacuum cleaner, but we discovered that people buy the batteries separately for it or the filters.
Oh,
So this way, let's say we found a big category, but we say, oh yeah, but I don't have money to launch like a vacuum cleaner now because, it's quite costly, and also to break through to like consistent organic sales will probably cost me some money for PPC initially, and maybe I don't have that money. But then we go through that tool and we see that people buy maybe these filters, and filters probably cheaper, but because this is a growing niche, and the sub tools for this niche, so to say, like filters or batteries and whatnot, might be a separate market that is actually easier for me to go into. So, or we can do both. We can also launch, say, the vacuum cleaner, but then people might want to buy replacement for the filters. So we also launch the filters, or we only launch the filters. So I really like this tool, man. This is pretty awesome because ideas for new products can come from huge niches, but there are sub niches that serve those niches in way of replacements of like batteries or filters, etc. So pretty cool. And the other thing you mentioned is that if we see that people are buying other products after us, then we go and see why. Maybe price, maybe images. We don't exactly know. But if we see, let's say that people buy a specific type of vacuum cleaner after us, we can have comparison advertising as a picture, so where we compare us vs them, and we can actually show why we're still better. So then we can try to, people open a few tabs, they compare, and we can show them why we're better, or at least we can do our best to show why we're better. So this can also be an option then to try to fix that in a way, even though again it's hard to say exactly why they bought the others, because you said maybe it's price, maybe it's images, maybe it's brand name that they have, so strong brand. But we can at least try to compare us vs them to try to still convince customers that we are better, and hopefully we are. So yeah, man.
yeah, the first one. Thank you, Evan. I didn't thought something like that, but you brought very good point. Like by doing this tool, you can find maybe another product. Like from the one product, you go to another product. You kind of find out what's the demand, what the customer like. Thank you, really appreciate it. I never thought it, I never approach, but guys, this is the idea. You listen, you talk, you
Yeah.
see with the people, you can get the idea. For example, before I never thought the insight here. From here, you can find another product, and this is also in the market. For example, there is big market, like the main product, like a curtain, or as we say, vacuum cleaner, or this one. Sometimes it's costly, it's very big capital needed. You don't need to sell it. Go to find its part, its replacement,
Mhm.
its holder, it's the kind of accessories. You can find very good product there. Oh, thank you, Evan. Just appreciate it, this new idea.
100%, man. I mean, I would say I would add to that. We're selling, my brand is in grill cleaning accessories. So I could launch a grill, which grills are usually quite pricey. Pricey, yeah. But there are products that serve grills. So we sell grill cleaning equipment because, honestly, it would be hard for me to sell, maybe compete with big grill brands like Weber or Big Green Egg. These are like brands in the grilling space. But in the grilling accessories, which is cleaning the grill, it's a different sub niche. Yes, it's smaller, it's not as big. But for me as a seller, I was able to find a budget to find sub niches in even the grill cleaning market. So there are different types of grill cleaners. So yeah, this is can be an interesting approach because there's so many sub markets that serve other markets, kind of thing. So it's interesting, man. Thank you for for sharing your thoughts too, man. Thank you.
Thank you. You too, Evan. Very good insight.